have to put in the bucket.
Well, y'all, there you have it. Got the transmission in. Hose on. Only thing I see is we got a little leak here. All of that's still dry. Dry. Still dry. And we've been running all of them. I moved a couple piles. Got a water pump leak. I'm gonna change the water pump and this fan. I don't know if y'all can see this shit. Y'all probably can't see it, but the fan. And we got a little drip right here. We're gonna let that oil, we did drain a lot of the oil out. We're gonna let the oil, put some fresh oil in there, and we're gonna put, let it run, drop some of that stuff down, change it out again. Kinda expensive, not expensive. Be some motor. But yeah, that's that. Now we're about to fix the big tractor. Let's go.